how to invest in S&P 500 index fund in Canada. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the S&P 500 index fund in Canada. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is choose a brokerage platform. Popular platforms in Canada include Wealthsimple and TD Direct Investing. After choosing your platform, sign up for an account if you don't already have one. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, including your SIN social insurance number, and go through an identity verification process. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can transfer money from your bank account to your brokerage account. Now it's time to find the S&P 500 index fund. You can invest in this through an exchange traded fund edge that tracks the S&P 500. Some of the most popular options include Vanguard's VFV or iShares, which are available in Canadian dollars. Simply use the search bar on your brokerage platform to find these ETFs. So, once you've selected the ETF you want to invest in, click on the buy option. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase and review the order. After placing the buy order, review the transaction details carefully and confirm the purchase. Once it's processed, you officially own shares in an S&P 500 index fund. Now that you've invested, you can monitor the performance of your fund directly on your brokerage platform. So, that's how you can invest in S&P 500 index fund in Canada. That's all for this video.